Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss something really important. So guys, as everyone was anticipating, Government of Canada, or in other terms Bank of Canada, has increased the interest rate once more because of high inflation and of course hot job market. Now since February last year, I mean interest rates were increased in March 2022. We have seen this various times and now it has reached to 5%. While a lot of people will say, and that's true, that it will help cool down inflation down the line. But more important point is the affordability, especially for existing homeowners, those who are on variable rate mortgage. Already, lot of them were at the tipping point, and lot of them were about to reach the trigger rate. Now, a slight increase like this may impact even worse. And I don't have the number and real data to share with you, but definitely a lot of people will find it now more difficult or maybe impossible to pay down their mortgage and to be on top of their finances. Now, while every case is different, there are certain things that we should take it as a lesson. Just a few years back, nobody could have thought that interest rates would go as high as we see nowadays. So, what is the solution out of it? Well, always have some sort of protection for yourself, guys. When I took my mortgage back in 2019, although I had opportunities of going for lower rate with variable mortgage, I refused. Instead, I went for fixed. And I know it's not a long term safe because next year again I have to renew, and God knows what's going to be the interest rate then. Hopefully less than now, but it all will come with the time. But at least till next year, when before renewal, I am not impacted by the an interest rate. And guys, sometimes I think I did a mistake. I mean, I took 5 year fixed. Had I known that even it could be 10 years fixed, maybe a slightly higher interest rate, like I got 2.69. If I would have got 2.89 for 10 years, I think I should have taken that, considering what's going on now. But now I know how it works, so most probably next time I'll be more careful when I select a product, and I will examine all the circumstances and trends before I decide on it finally. Now, coming to the point about how we are going to manage this situation is like, if I'm trapped in a situation where I'm no longer able to afford the mortgage, there are certain steps definitely I will do. First of all, I will streamline all my finances. I'll make a list of all the expenses I'm doing, all the uh, requirements I have. Of course, there are certain things you cannot avoid, right? You cannot stop eating, you cannot stop drinking water. I mean, there are certain basic necessities that nobody can stop. But if I have to save money, I will definitely try to find out some way, some resources where I can save. And that is what I will do. Like, for example, if I have a credit card where I'm paying, let's say, 22% interest rate, I can contact my bank or whichever financial institution I have with, and I can tell them that, hey, listen, this is like issue me a credit card, transfer my credit to a card that has got less fee. Of course, I'll be calculating all the fees and other things involved, and I'll find out the best solution for myself. If possible, I'll take a side gig and get some income. And I am not going to go to the micro levels like stopping a subscription because that doesn't save much, right? Instead, I'll be going after items that save much. If I'm paying a high cost on my car insurance, I would like to shop around at the time of renewal and see if I can save some significant money. And when I save some significant money, I'll try to find out the difference if I pay monthly or yearly. Because I know in my car insurance, if I'm paying yearly, there's a significant saving I can do. Same thing comes with life insurance also. There are some companies help you save even 9% of the premium if you do it yearly payment. So based on the expenses you have, these things you have, you can always save. Now, few habits that really help you save money is like in your house, the resources you are using, water, electricity, gas. So there are methods where you can save on it. Like if you're saving water, if you're saving energy, if you're saving electricity, whatever, it saves money also that can be utilized for better expenditures considering the hard times we have now. So like of course, I'm not going to discuss the techniques of gas saving, electricity saving, water saving in this video, but you can find it out yourself. And the very first thing I would do is like stop wasting electricity, stop wasting water, stop wasting gas. Like if I don't need any equipment to run, to be turned on, I won't turn it on. Of course, I'll be following the recommendations, like you don't want to turn on and off immediately, but I'll take all the precautions and I'll try to save money. I'll see what extra I am spending that I do not have to, and all of that I will do. So this is what I would do, guys, and let's see how it goes from now. And still there's a possibility, like they haven't said whether they will increase more or no this year. Only thing they have said that there's a possibility. They are gonna keep an eye on it and they're gonna see how it goes from here, and based on that they will take the call. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.